good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is patience, a warrior's tool, a virtue, a lifestyle, or something greater. Ladies and gentlemen, patience is not mere waiting. It is the wisdom of why there is waiting and what the waiting serves. It is the silent thread that ties desire to fulfillment, effort to outcome, longing to destiny. Every heart yearns for it. Every age rediscovers it. Every culture reveres it. Science calls it self-regulation. Psychology, delayed gratification. Ancient wisdom, and attunement to the flow of life. Patience is not stillness. It is movement in rhythm with the universe. Patience is the strength to endure without breaking, to remain composed when storms gather, to hold trust when answers lie hidden. Science reveals it strengthens the highest centers of the brain, guiding reason over impulse. Patience is not retreat. It is engagement. It is mastery. Yet, patience is more than perseverance. Perseverance stretches across effort. Patience stretches across destiny. The warrior knows action must meet its movement. Too soon, strength is wasted. Too late, opportunity fades. Patience is timing. It turns impulse into victory, waiting into wisdom. Time itself is the great teacher. The sun rises only at its hour. The river shapes valleys by centuries of flow. The seed rests in darkness before meeting the light. Even the cosmos unfolds across eons, galaxies, stars, universes expanding. Patience is the rhythm by which existence breathes. To trust time is to honor its cosmic nature, impartial, infinite, beyond comprehension. At its root, patience is communion with the divine intelligence that sustains creation. It is trust in hidden symmetry, faith that what must come will come in its hour. Through patience, lives heal, visions ripen, civilizations endure, history bends. What's the way forward? In an impatient age, rediscovering patience is not luxury, it is necessity. To walk with patience is to walk with time, not urging it forward, not dragging it back. It allows desire to ripen, effort to mature, outcomes to reveal themselves when ready. Patience blossoms in silence, deepens in reflection, endures through discipline. Where it dwells, minds grow steady, relationships grow gentle, and societies grow resilient. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, patience is more than a virtue, more than a lifestyle. It is a cosmic force shaping the very outcomes of existence. It grants endurance to vision, serenity to the heart, resilience to struggle, and meaning to time itself. To live with patience is to live in reverence of time. Time that belongs to the Master Creator alone, flowing with a rhythm beyond comprehension, carrying life forward in perfect balance. Lord Krishna's words resound in the revealed Bhagavad Gita when he declares Shanti as a divine quality and proclaims patience, tolerance, and forgiveness are the ornaments of the wise. Patience is the quiet courage to endure, the sacred trust in time, the communion with divine order that shapes destiny itself. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.